Hi, welcome to OEI. I'm happy to inform you a wonderful opportunity that will take you on a journey of endless possibilities, well-being and prosperity.
Learning never runs out of fashion, right? Come join us. Get to know about our unique matrix business concept and participate in our world-class training programs.
Imagine, with 2,000 ringgit, at the end of the month you can earn 6,000 ringgit. Want to know how? Come, join us at our preview happening every Saturday 2 to 5 p.m. Make a million friends and build your business empire.
Are you ready? No more alarm clocks.
No more traffic jam.
Come join us.
See you soon.
Hi! No more 9 to 5.
No more 9 to 5.
Are you ready?
No more alarm clock.
Come join us.
No more 9 to 5.
No more alarm clock.
No more traffic jam.
Come and join us.
No more 9 to 5. No more 9 to 5.
Be the change.
No more 9 to 5.
Be a game changer.
No more 9 to 5. Wish you all the best.